Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily find the shopping cart on absolutely any iPhone. Please friends, subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes. Also don't forget to write comments under the video. And let us get started with you. So friends, let me tell you right away that on any iPhone you will be able to find two baskets. The first cart of your gallery, which you can find in this app. And the second garbage can is from the File app. So friends, let me show you how to find each of them. The first cart is in the gallery. For this, you'll need to go to the gallery. And here at the bottom, you will need to go to the Albums section. Then under Albums, scroll down. And at the very bottom you can find the deleted folder. Click on it. And you'll either have to verify your face, like me, it's Face ID, or you'll need to enter your phone password. And as you can see, so that way, friends, you'll go to the photos that you deleted earlier. And it will say on them how many more days they have left before they're finally deleted. I mean, look, my photos have 29 days on them, then 27 days, for example, 22 days, and so forth. What does that mean? It means that after a certain number of days, those photos will be automatically deleted from your iPhone permanently. Because after you delete the photos, they are stored in the deleted folder for another 30 days. And after this period, they are automatically deleted permanently. So how to find the recycle garbage can in your files? To do so, open this application, folks. Then you'll need to click on the browse screen at the bottom so that it looks like this. Next, you're going to need to go to the deleted folder here as well. And here you will be able to see all the folders that you have recently deleted, or any documents, photos, videos, and so on. If you, friends, want to delete, let's say, all the information that is in the deleted folder, then you can click on it. Here you will see in red, it says delete everything. You click on it, and that's how you delete absolutely all the information that is in the file garbage can. Also, friends, I haven't shown you how you can delete all the files in the gallery. I will show you now. So when you go to the deleted folder in the gallery, here you can delete before the automatic deletion will delete any particular files. For example, if you want to delete one photo, you'll need to click on it and then select Delete and confirm your action. Thus, the photo will be deleted immediately. If you want to delete several or all of them, you'll have to click on the top and select. And now you select the files that you want. And then at the bottom click on the three dots. Then delete. Confirm your action. This way you will delete absolutely all the photos that are in your gallery trash can. This is the way you can find the baskets on any iPhone. I really hope this video helped you and was useful to you. Friends, please put your likes, write your comments. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.